How to fix error 0x800700E1. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the error 0x800700E1. So this error is actually just a warning. Now, whenever you're trying to transfer your files from anywhere, so for example, you're trying to transfer your file from a USB drive to your computer and you get this error, it means that the USB files, whichever you're trying to transfer, can or might contain virus. Now, that is just your computer warning you that the file contains virus or any kind of a threat to your system. Now, if you are pretty sure that that's not the case, and if you still want to go through with that file transfer, this is what you do. So first is you open up your Windows security. So simply search for Windows security and hit enter to open it up. So open up your Windows security. After you are on your Windows security, you'll need to head over to virus and threat protection. Tap on it. And after you're on your virus and threat protection, there you will see under virus and threat protection settings, manage settings. So tap on manage settings and there you will see real-time protection. So all you have to do is turn this off. So after you turn this off, and you can simply turn off other of your security as well, which I don't recommend you guys do so, but if you do need the files, you can do that and you can go ahead with the file transfer, and that's how you fix the error 0x800700E1. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.